Hi everyone, Jay Sinnott here for another edition of Cooking with Jay. And guess what? This is the first episode in my new Jazzy J kitchen. What do you think of the new digs? Yeah, it's my chef's kitchen. And in my new home, it's just been an amazing past month. Emotionally, I come from a place where I lived 28 years out in Chesapeake. And so, 28 years, you have a deep emotional attachment to a lot of things out there. But I'm in here now, and I'm starting to get used to it and get settled in. It's a beautiful new home, and looking forward to creating some really tasty dishes here in my new Jazzy J kitchen. I want to thank all of you for watching. I want to thank Feast Virginia for the sponsorship for the program, Cooking with Jay, which is aired Sunday evenings at 6 on the WHO Public Media Facebook page. And you can hear or watch archive programs at the WHO Public Media YouTube channel. A lot of episodes there, Cooking with Jay. So for my first cooking event for in the new kitchen, still trying to get used to this thing. I'm trying to figure out where everything is. I actually have some cupboards that are empty now because I have all this space in this house. In the other house, I had no space. So what I decided to do, we're going to make a salmon dish tonight. So I'm going to come over here, and this is like a nice summer salmon dish, lemony, and some butter. So I get a couple of nice salmon steaks here, right? And I rinse them off, pat them dry, then I season them with a little bit of salt, okay? And some freshly ground black pepper. And while I'm doing this, the oven is preheating at about 375, okay? 375. Now, I have about maybe half a stick of melted butter in here, and I'm going to add some minced up garlic, about 3 cloves, some finely minced up garlic in here, and I guess a couple of tablespoons of some freshly squeezed lemon juice. Then the zest of a lemon right there. So it's going to be lemony. And some dried dill. Okay, maybe a half a teaspoon up to a teaspoon of some dried dill. Okay. And I want to mix this up well. And then you want to get you a baking sheet, okay, and then put some aluminum foil down, right? So it's a baking sheet underneath here, but I put some aluminum foil down because I'm going to wrap the salmon with the aluminum foil. Now, I'm going to drizzle this lemon buttery mixture over the salmon steaks. And again, the oven is heated up at 375. Okay. Got this butter in here, oh man. The lemon juice, the dill, the garlic, and salt and pepper, and that's pretty much it. Okay, so there, and just for extra added attraction, put 2 lemon slices there. Now, I want to enclose the salmon steaks in this aluminum foil. Holds a lot of that flavor in, makes it tender. Okay, you don't want the foil touching the salmon, but just close it up. All right. All right, so that was easy enough to put together. Now, in my oven, again, set at 375. Put that in for about 15 to 20 minutes, depending on how thick your salmon is, and then you will be good to go. So that's my first dish in my Jazzy J kitchen. I guess I call it a summer lemon butter salmon. You know, baking it. It's going to be a great summer dish, I think. So while this is baking, we are going to take a quick break, and then we're going to come back. And it's going to seem like a couple of seconds, but actually, while the salmon is baking, I'm going to go off and do some other things, and then you'll see me again taking the salmon out of the oven. Right? Back in a few seconds. Okay, we're back. The salmon has been cooking, and I think we're ready to take it out of the oven. So let's see what this summer lemony buttery salmon looks like in aluminum foil. All right. Yeah. Set that up there. Close the oven. All right, let's see what we have here. Woo! Oh my goodness! If we can get a good look at these delicious looking salmon steaks, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to try and do this anyway. All right. See if I can do this without it. Nope, can't do it that way, so we'll have to get underneath it. There we go. There's one. Two. And take these lemon slices off of here, because what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a little bit of dill right there, fresh dill. And I want to some lemon wedges as some garnish. And I want to just clean up the plate just a little bit. And here you have the lemon butter summer salmon wrapped in foil. And again, how I made that, put some garlic, some butter, about half a cup of butter, about a quarter cup of lemon juice, the zest of a lemon, about 3 or 4 cloves of finely minced up garlic, some salt and pepper, and some dried dill in there. I mix it well, and I preheat the oven to 375, get a baking sheet, put some aluminum foil over it. I rinse and pat dry the salmon. Now you can put the salt and pepper in with that mixture, that butter mixture, or you can season them like I did. I set them in aluminum foil here in the pan, salt and pepper them, and then I take that butter mixture and I drizzle that butter mixture, buttery lemon mixture over the salmon steaks, and then I wrap the salmon steaks up in aluminum foil, bake them at 375 for about 15-20 minutes, depending on the thickness of your salmon steaks. And if they break comfortably with a fork, then you're good to go. So that's my first dish in my new Jazzy J kitchen here in my new home. And I'm thrilled to be back cooking in my new home. We had a couple of archive programs we were running, but it's good to be back here. It took me a minute to get settled into the new house, but I'm loving it, and I'm still trying to get used to everything. but we're going to create some very interesting, tasty food in this kitchen. Again, I want to thank all of you for watching. Cooking with Jay airs Sunday evenings at 6 on the WHRO Public Media Facebook page. WHRO Public Media Facebook page. And I want to thank Feast Virginia always for the sponsorship for the program. Thank you very, very much. And until next Sunday, be safe out there, friends. Listen to my Senate in Session Jazz Show and the R&B Chronicles on WHR VFM 89.5. And thank you for your support. Thanks for watching. Be safe. We'll see you again soon. Hi, Jay Sennett here. Join me for Cooking with Jay Sunday evenings at 6 on Facebook at WHRO Public Media, with previous shows available on YouTube at WHRO Public Media. So let's get cooking. Support for Cooking with Jay provided by Feast Virginia, helping address food insecurity in Hampton Roads. Donate at feastvA.org today.